Hello everyone and welcome. In this video we will explore the main update introduced in Decidim version 0.32. This release brings improvements to the participant navigation experience, new capabilities for elections, enhancements to the API, better performance and many more improvements. So let's take a look at the most important updates and see how they work in practice. So the first thing to show you is the new navigation experience. As you can see, now we have this breadcrumb on top of the page. The goal of these improvements is to make it easier for participants to understand where they are within the platform and move between sections more intuitively. This breadcrumb provides a clear path back to the previous sections, helping participants maintain context while exploring participatory spaces. The front-end menu has also been redesigned to provide a more consistent and user-friendly navigation experience. Now we have the menu button pinned on the header. Participants can now access different areas of the platform more easily, reducing the number of clicks needed to find information. The new navigation experience has been mobile-first designed, making the experience simpler and easy to use from mobile devices. Another important addition is the language selector directly on the header. As you can see, right now we have pinned the selector on the header so you can easily switch between languages. Next, let's take a look at changes related to participation space. In previous versions, administrators could configure spaces as private or transparent. Feature remains. However, in the Decidim 0.32, this has been replaced with a clear concept now called access mode. Let's take a look on it. So if I go to the admin of a given participatory space and I go to the About page and I browse down, I can find the new access mode. Here I can mark that this space has members, and once I mark this, I will be able to create and manage the members of a given space. Then I can define that the given space is open, transparent or restricted. This works exactly as it used to work in the past. So once I have defined that a space has members and it's open, restricted or transparent, then I can manage the members on it. So if I click here and I save the changes, I can then go to members and manage the members and so on. Several improvements have been introduced for elections. First, administrators can now define a maximum choice value for election questions. So if I go to the admin dashboard of an election that I'm preparing, in the form builder of a multiple choice question, I can now define exactly the maximum number of choices depending on how many questions I have. Another important addition is the pre-election census check for scheduled elections. So once I have an election prepared and I publish it, then I can mark this checkbox to allow users to check if they can vote before the election starts, helping administrators and participants to anticipate issues before voting begins. So once you mark this checkbox, in the front end, participants can check if they can vote just by clicking on this call to action. So if a participant click on it, a user can verify if they can vote in the election by adding their email and the token that they received. The last thing that the Decidim 0.32 includes is some improvements on the performance for comments. So for platforms with large volumes of participation and discussion, comment loading and interaction are now more efficient. This optimization contributes to a smoother experience for both participants and administrators, particularly in highly active participation spaces. So, for example, as you can see here in a debate with a lot of comments, now what we have applied is that on the bottom of the page, now we have this button to load more comments. So if I click on it, then the rest of the comments are loaded, improving the performance of the Decidim installations. So, to recap, Decidim 0.32 introduces a redesigned navigation experience, clearer member and access management, improved elections functionalities, better comments performance, and many more things. These improvements continue Decidim's commitment to creating more accessible, scalable, and maintainable digital participation platform. For the complete list of changes and technical details, you can check our post on our website, decidim.org/blog, or in the official changelog on GitHub. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next Decidim update.